Hi, my name is Amit and I am currently working as a scientist in TCS Research and Innovation Lab in New Delhi, India. TCS is largest software services company in the world, and TCS Research and Innovation is the research arm of Tata Consultancy Services, which is known as TCS. At TCS, our group is primarily working on various problems related to big data, data visualization, machine learning, artificial intelligence, explainability aspects of machine learning systems. I am currently leading a team of researchers who are building efficient applications to interact with systems in a natural language way. We are also working on various aspects of explainability, evaluating trustworthiness, and interpretability of machine learning applications. We are also building efficient data visualization frameworks for various enterprise applications. We are also working on medical image processing, and more recently we have also worked on COVID-19 X-ray datasets, where we have taken X-ray images of COVID patients, and we have proposed a classification approach that can take as an input an X-ray image, and can classify whether a particular person has COVID-19 disease or not. These kind of systems can help to reduce the time of radiologist to spend time, and it can reduce their cognitive load drastically. So in our experiments, we have found that our system has given more than 90% accuracy, and right now we are trying to work with Indian government to ingest and deploy this system in real hospitals. Before working on these problems, I also worked on various problems related to software engineering. For example, evaluating the usability aspects of various software systems. I have also proposed a framework which can evaluate the multilingual aspects of various web applications. The motivation to join your group is primarily because of the fact that I am interested in various applications which are related to healthcare and also informatics. I am really interested in designing of systems that can take diverse data sets from various medical domains, for example, medical images, other applications of digital health, etc., and can take this data, curate it, process it, analyze it, and present it to the user so that users can perform efficient analytics on this data, and it can reduce their cognitive load. It can help them to discover the disease in a faster manner. It can help them to tackle a disease in a faster manner. So these are the motivations to join your research group. One part of my research has also focused on various data processing aspects. For example, these days what we have identified that most of the machine learning systems that are deployed in place, they use a fixed set of algorithms. However, the data that these algorithms take as an input is very important to find the real outcomes, for example, classification, regression, etc. So we need to focus on the data processing, data curation, efficient data analytics, so that only efficient data goes into the machine learning AI pipelines. In all these problems, I have a lot of hands-on experience on different machine learning libraries, like for example Keras, TensorFlow, etc. I have also experience in various front-end and back-end technologies like Python, Java, HTML, Node.js. So I feel myself confident enough to lead a team of researchers who can build applications. I consider myself as an expert in technical writing. I am quite comfortable with tools like LaTeX and all. So if I'm given an opportunity to join this postdoc, I think I would be really keen to design, develop, and solve some practical problems related to healthcare and informatics. Thank you very much.